Hi folks, Wes at Lochmandy Chevrolet Buick. You know, I keep thinking about oil. And why do I keep thinking about oil? Well, quite frankly, I've been at this for 30 years now. I've seen so many times where preventative maintenance could have solved or headed off a problem, if you will, that occurs on vehicles. And I'm here to dispel the myth about how long you can go between oil changes and why I recommend 3,000 mile oil changes. We're going to take a look at the oil coming out of this 2021 Silverado, my wife and I's truck, at about 2,600 miles. And we're going to show you why I don't like 6, 7, 8, 9,000 mile oil changes or following the oil life monitor. Stay tuned, you'll see what we have to see. So folks, again, I've been at this for 30 years, and I'm showing you things on my own truck. I want you to see why I have concerns about oil changes and oil life monitors. And you can see 2,600 miles on the odometer. And you can also see, here's where it says, GM tells you, rotate tires and perform oil change if needed every 7,500 miles. That is not often enough. Here's the thing, folks. It's my hard-earned money. It's your hard-earned money. Here's the window sticker. I have a $51,000 truck. I think that an oil change is pretty good investment. I'm going to show you why. Okay, folks, so I was voicing my concerns about oil changes. As you can see, this is, again, my truck. And here is the oil that we've taken out of it. This has got, as you saw on the odometer, less than 3,000 miles of driving on it. This is the color. This is how dirty it is. Imagine what it would be like at 5, 6, 7, 8,000 miles, like General Motors or any of the manufacturers tell you to do with your oil life monitor. It's not a good idea. You've got a high investment in your vehicle. Maintenance is key. Have a great day.